This conference will now be recorded.
We will start the next concept called as loops, not oops. Loops. Put a heading called as LOOPS, loops. I'm not going in a sequential order. I'm just jumping the sequence. Whichever is easy, right? Oh, sorry, whichever is important, I'm covering those first, right? Now, let's get into the next concept called as loops. Write down. Repeating of a statement, repeating of a statement, repeating of a statement till a condition is succeeded, repeating of a statement till a condition is succeeded is called loop. Repeating of a statement till a condition is succeeded is called loop. There are 5 types of loops available. There are 5 types of loops available in Salesforce. Number 1, it's better that you copy from the screen. Number 1, do while. Better that you copy from the screen. Do in a curly bracket statement, while in a curly bracket Boolean condition. These are the 5. Please copy as it is. First one, do while. Second one, while loop. For initialization, Boolean exit condition, increment statement in a bracket, and then statement for primitive data type. Next, for variable, array is to set, statement exactly the way it is, you'll copy in that way. There are 3 for loops, 1 do, 1 while, total 5. Done? Yes. Everyone, copied?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now let's understand what is a loop. Whenever you repeat any statement or any condition again, we call them as loop. To make you understand a simple layman language, right? If I tell you to slap someone for 10 times, that is a loop. Every time you'll raise your hand, tadal, 1. Again, raise your hand, tadal, 2. Raise your hand, tadal, 3. Like this, every time you'll raise, hit, raise, hit, raise, hit. How many times will you do? For 10 times you will do. This is called as loop. Doing a same activity again, same thing, no different. We call them as loop. There are 5 types of loops available in Salesforce. Number 1, do while. Number 2, while. Number 3, for primitive data type. Number 4, for collection data type. Number 5, for SOQL data type. These are the 5 loops available in Salesforce. Now let's see this practically one by one to understand. So I'll start with Rupam. @OF117.com, password CRM1234 hash. Right? Let me log in. I click on setup, click on developer console. As of now, we are still in a practice ground. We are not yet in the real programming. We are still learning how the programming is done in Salesforce. So I click on debug. I click on open execute anonymous window. This is the place where I'm writing the program in real time. We don't write the program here, right? It is just for testing and playing the game. There are 5 types of loops available. First one, do while. What is the structure? Do what? This. Then while. While there is a condition. This is called do while loop. If you see here, right? See, do a statement while a condition, right? So the same structure. This is the structure. Do this. Whatever you write here, it will be repeated for how many times? Till the time this condition is succeeded. For example, I say slap him 10 times. Now, whenever you want to slap, you will be full busy in slapping. You cannot remember the count because you are idni kuttalani amma. You will be in full josh. In that josh, you will forget the count. We need some person other than you to keep counting. 1, 2, 3. Somebody will count and you will slap. You cannot do the same job, counting and slapping. Otherwise, either the count will go wrong or your slap will be not strong because your mind will be busy in counting. So hence, we will keep this count job to someone else. Let's do this. Integer C equals to 0. What is the count value? 0. Do this. What? System dot debug. Debug what? Slap. System dot debug slap. Till when? Till the time count is less than 10. Now what is the count? 0. Is 0 is less than 10? Yes. Now you have to increase 0 to 1. Now you have to increase 0 to 1. Then 1 has to be increased to 2. 2 has to be increased to 3. After slapping, what I will say C plus plus. Right? Plus plus means increasing by 1. Just one, only one number it will increase. Here if I say Cn, then here it will become Cn plus plus. So slap, increase the count. Now check. What is the count? 2. Is 2 is less than 10? Yes. Do what? Slap, thrill. Then C plus plus. 2 plus plus will become 3. Is 3 is less than 10? Yes. Do what? Slap, thrill. Then C plus plus, Cn plus plus. 3 plus plus will become 4. Is 4 is less than 10? Yes. Like this, the loop will keep on running. Ardhamautunda? Right? C 8. 8 plus plus 9. Is 9 is less than 10? Yes. On the screen, slap will be printed. Next, 9 plus plus 10. Is 10 is less than 10? No. 10 is equal to 10. 10 is not less than 10. Immediately system will come to line number 10. It will come out of the loop. Automatically, whenever the condition fails, it will come out of the loop. Able to understand? Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Now let's go ahead and run this program. Right? Here also Cn. Because I've changed everywhere, so Cn. I'll say execute. Now you will see that on the screen, slap will be printed for 10 times. Slap, 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 slap. It is doing the same job again for how many times? 10 times. Ardhamainda? Yes or no? How this structure is working? Write down this example. Copy it fast. Online guys, able to understand what is a loop? Repeating of a statement till a condition is succeeded is called loop.
Rupam,
Yes.
after the slap is printed, will it go to while or will it go to Cn plus plus? Can you please explain?
The Cn plus plus. No. Anything
Okay.
inside the bracket will be first executed.
Okay, then Cn equals to 0, so it will print
Correct.
slap and goes to Cn plus plus, so it becomes
Plus,
1. So Cn
correct.
becomes 1 and 1
Correct.
less than 10, right?
Correct.
Okay,
And
2
then
less
again it will say do.
Yeah, it prints only for 9 times, right?
9 plus first time is 0. Right?
Oh, okay. Yeah, got it.
First time it will be 0. So 0 is less than. So total the loop will go for 9 times, but 0 is there. So 9 plus 0, 9 and 0 will become 10. Right? Perfect, everyone?
Got it.
Able to understand? You can write anything inside it. Copy it. Now I will say contact or account. Account AC equals to new account. Account AC equals to new account. AC.name equals to Amazon. AMAZON, Amazon. AC dot phone is equals to 33333. Then I will say insert AC. If I run this program now, 10 times Amazon will be created. Amazon. 10 times. I told you anything inside this bracket will be done till the time the condition is satisfied. As soon as the condition is not satisfied, it will come out of the loop. Execute. Go ahead and check. App manager. View all. Sales. I click on account. Let it come. Here we go. I click on account. See? Amazon, up to 10 times. Anything you write inside this curly bracket, anything that you write inside the curly bracket will be repeated till the time this condition is succeeded. అర్థమైందా? Yes or no?
Yes.
If there is a duplication rule, it will give an error. If there is a duplication rule created, then you will get an error, right? If I remember that last name and email, we have a duplicate rule in contact. If that rule is active, let's see. Integer, I'm writing one more program. Integer CCC is equals to 0. Integer or CCC equals to 12. I can take any number. Now I will say that, keep watching. What is that? Do what? Do this. While here is the condition. While CCC is less than 25. Start from 12. Is 12 is less than 25? Yes. Then I will increase the CCC plus plus. 12 became 13, 13 became 14, 14 became 15, 16, 17. I'm not starting from 0. I'm starting from 12 to 25. Meaning is same. Total how many? 13 records will be created. 12 to 22. How many records will be created? 10 records will be created. Right? Inside this, I will say contact C equals to new contact. C dot last name equals to Srivastava. C dot phone or mobile phone is equals to 22222. Right? C dot email is equals to s@s.com. Right? I'm not sure whether the rule is activated or not. If the rule is activated, you'll get an error. All your validation rules, all your duplicate rules, every rule will be adhered by this program. They cannot be bypassed using Apex. So if you cannot insert a data through a page form, you cannot insert a data from here also. As simple as that. Right? Insert. See. Now I will run this program. Sorry? Semicolon missing. What is it? Srivastava. 1 minute. This is missing. C dot SRIVSTAVA. It's a comma. It's a semicolon. Perfect. Now I say execute highlighted. See? Duplicate detected. It is not going to insert this record because already there are Rahul Srivastav, Swati Srivastav, Mohan Srivastav. We have created lot of Srivastavs when we were doing duplicate rule. Right? So you cannot. As soon as I change ssssss.com, I change the phone number to 33333.com, then also it will create a problem. Execute highlighted. Because first time it inserted, second time, same record has become a duplicate now because we said mobile, phone number same, email same, last name same. So whatever the duplicate rule you have written, it will get triggered. In fact, not duplicate rule, validation rules, any type of rules that you write, it get triggers irrespective from where the data is coming. Whether the data coming from Apex, whether the data coming from data loader, whether the data coming from a page, whether the data coming from a Visualforce page, whether the data coming from a Lightning component, whether the data coming from a Facebook through an API, REST and SOAP, all rules will get triggered irrespective of the data source. From where the data come is not the question, right? What is that? C is, if you said C is less than 12, it will not run, obviously. Right? Able to understand everyone? Yes 13. Or no?
I told 13.
Right? Guys, wait for a couple of minutes, stand by. Right? Clear, everyone? Yes. Next, this is called as do while. The next loop is called while loop. While loop, right? How does a while loop looks? While you have a condition and then there is a curly bracket. This is the structure of a while loop. Yes. While Boolean condition statement. While Boolean condition and a statement. I will give the same thing. Integer count CNT equals to 0. While CNT is less than 10, what you have to do? System.debug. Slap. Then I will say, right, CNT plus plus. I run this program. Execute highlighted. You will see that slap will be printed for 10 times. Again, right? I click on debug. See, slap. How many times? 10 times. Then Rupam, what is the difference between a do while and a while? There also you are printing slap for 10 times. Here also you are printing slap for 10 times. What is the difference? There is a difference. Do while is reactive loop. Reactive LOP loop. What does that mean? Here, action first. First you will come and you will slap. Then you will ask the count. Babu, count Japo. Sir, count 15. Ayya, 15. Condition is that if it's less than 10, then only you should beat him. By now, what has happened? You already slapped that person. Sorry, Anna. That means here, first action, then condition. First action, then condition. Whereas here, first condition, this is proactive. This is a proactive loop. Here, first condition, then action. There, first action, then condition. Here, first you will come and ask the count. Hey, tell me the count. Sir, 15. But keep ora. You will not slap him. Right? You will just say, but keep away, time baundi. You will go away. This is called as while. In do while, first you will do the action, then check condition. That means first run will always go through. First run will always go through. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no, everyone? Now let me show you with the example. First copy this. All non-programmers able to understand? Yes or no? Yes, non-programmers, people who are doing programming for the first time in their life. Able to understand? All these making sense?
Yes, sir.
Copy this. Now I will show you the example. First copy this, while. Right? Perfect. Copy this. Now let's see do while versus while. Both are doing the same thing, but there is a difference. First one, action first, then check the condition. Second one, check the condition first, then the action. Right. Now, count. Integer count equals to 15. What is the count value? 15. Now I'm writing do while. Do ACCOUNT account AS or AS equals to, no, as is a keyword. AH is equals to new account. Name equals to Flipkart. Right? Comma. Phone equals to 11111. I'm not taking anything because to create an account, name is enough. Insert AH. Now I'm writing in the first way. If you remember, two ways we can write. One we can write inside the bracket. One we can write one by one like this. If you remember, I already told you, keep the bracket empty, then write with C dot, C dot, C dot. Both the ways you can write it. Because if I keep on writing in the second way, you will forget the first way అని ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ వే రాస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే అమ్మా ఇదేంది ఇలా రాస్తున్నాడు సడన్ గా. There are two ways you can write it. One is inside the bracket. One is keep the bracket empty and keep on saying ah.name, ah.phone, ah.industry, ah.rating, ah.billing city, ah.zip code, ah.description అలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. Insert ah. Now I will say count plus plus. Now tell me, if I run this program, am I supposed to create an account called Flipkart? Yes or no?
Yes.
Am I supposed? The question is, will the program will create an account or not is not the question. By looking at the program, do you feel that we are supposed to create an account called Flipkart? Yes or no? Right?
No, sir.
Do. Okay. While. Now I will give you while count is less than 10. Now tell me, are we supposed to create an account called Flipkart?
No, sir.
It will run for once.
Answer
No,
is
sir.
no. You are supposed to create an account only when the count is less than 10.
10.
Do this while the count is less than 10. What is the count value? Is 15 is less than 10? No. Are you supposed to create an account called Flipkart? Logically, no. But what is this? This is do while. First it will slap, then it will check the count. That means first it will create the account. After creating the account, then it will say, hello, tell me the count. Sir, 15. 15 ah? Yo, I'm not supposed to create account. By then already the account got created. Can you reverse it back? No. Once you slap a person, inka other than sorry, there is no other option. Here also sorry. That means if I run this program, system will create one Flipkart and then system will realize tappu అయిపోయింది. Because action first, then condition. Action already happened. Then system has checked the condition. See, execute. Now if I go, I'll be able to see one Flipkart coming up. See, only one Flipkart. Because action first, it created account, then it checked the condition. Condition is that if it's less than 15, then only create. By then it's already created, so it came out. You said sorry and it came out. This is called as do while. Action first, then condition. Next one, same example I'm taking. Same example, right? Integer count, here also I'm writing. While count is less than 10. Count is less than 10. Account AH equals to new account. Check in the program, there is no difference. Both are same. Both are same. These two programs are same. There are two programs now. Both the programs are same. Yes or no? Here also count 15, here also count 15. Right? Here also create account, here also inside that create account. Right? Right? Here in the place of Flipkart, I'm giving Snapdeal. Only the name is changing. Here also insert H, there also insert H. Count plus plus, count plus plus. Count is less than 10, count is less than 10. But when I run this, not a single account will be created because first system is checking the condition. Hello, tell me the count, sir, 15. Bach gaya sala. Right? Dialogue from Sholay movie. Right? Because you are supposed to shoot him or hit him only when the count is less than 10. Now the count is, Are o Samba, count kitna hai re? Sarkar, 15. Bach gaya sala. Right? This is the way it went. If I run it, now I will not be able to see a single account got created called Snapdeal. I click, no Snapdeal. In real time, which one we use? While. Never use do while. Do while is always danger. Right? You want to send an email only when some condition. Suppose you write do while, first the email will send, then it will check the condition. Cheppu ippudu. Are inka cheppe lavamendra. Already email is gone. So in real time, we don't use do while. We don't use do while. We use while. Rupam, then why do while is given? There could be some scenarios where, rare of the rarest, where you have to first action, then condition. Only such case you will use do while. Otherwise, in real time, we use while. As simple as that. Everyone clear? Yes or no? Do while is reactive, whereas while is proactive. Reactive means first kottatam, then realize avatam. Proactive means before kottatam, self-realization. That is called proactive. The loop is active. There it is reactive. After things are over, then crying. That is called do while. Simple? Clear? Yes, everyone? Ready? Perfect? Now, start in the lesson. Write a program to calculate sum up to n number. Write a program to calculate sum up to n given number. I give you 10. You have to tell me 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. I give you 20. 1 to 19 you have to add. Ardhamainda program. I give you 100. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus so on. 98 plus 99. What do you think? How many of you can do? Right? First watch. First couple of program I will write. You watch. You watch. I'll come there again. Right? Papam. Everybody is thinking. And so online class unte enta bagundedi kada ippudu. Now you people can realize the importance of online class. See, online class, you will not be able to catch me. Offline is catching each and one person here. See the importance of online, enta valuable, right? Now let's start. First thing, integer n, integer num. Give me the number. Let's take the number integer num equals to 20. First look, don't write. Open your brain. Keep your girlfriend out from your brain for 20 minutes. Right? All your breakfast, right? Different thoughts, keep it out. Just focus here. Right? So integer num equals to 20. I want answer. Integer result equals to 0. Currently my result value is how much? 0. This is what I'm going to print. At last system.debug result print cheyangane 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus every time I'm adding, I'm storing somewhere. I need a storage place to store my value. Next, I need a counter. Counter I need. Integer count equals to 0. Count is 0, result is 0. Yes, I was given a number 20. Now while what I will do, while what, right? Count is, right? Count is less than num. Is 0 is count. What is the count value now? Is 0 is less than 20? Yes, as of now, count value is 0. Is count is less than num? Num is how much? 20. Is 0 is less than 20? Yes. Do what? Do, no, result equals to result plus count. Result plus count. Keep watching. Now, what does that means? Result equals to 0 plus 0. Result is 0, count is 0. Right? Then I will say count plus plus. Now I increase the count. Next time, what will be the count value? 1. Is 1 is less than 20? Yes. What you have to do now? Result equals to result plus count. Already 0 plus 0 is there. Right? 0 plus 0 is equals to what? 0. On that, 1 will be added. Because count value is what now? 1. Count plus plus. Count value will become 2. Is 2 is less than 20? Yes. Do what? Result equals to result. First step result was 0. Second time result became 0 plus 1 became 1. Now on that result equals to result plus count. Already result is 1. 1 plus count. What is count? 2. 1 plus 2 will become 3. Count plus plus. Count will become 3. Is 3 is less than 20? Yes. Result equals to result plus count. Already result is 3. Already result is 3. On that the count will be added. 3 plus 3 will become 6. Count plus plus. Count plus plus. That means 3 plus plus will become 4. Is 4 is less than 20? Yes. Result equals to result plus count. Already 6 is there in the result. On that 6 you are adding what? 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Plus 4. Count plus plus. 4 will become 5. Is 5 is less than 20? Yes. Yes. Then result equals to result plus count. Already result is 10. On that 10, now 5 will be added. 15 plus 5. Okay, we will take it 10 man. 20 daka vellene nenu. I can't go up to 20. Right. Next, 5 plus plus. It will become 6. Is 6 is less than 20? Yes. Result equals to result plus count. 15 plus 6. 21 plus 6. Plus 6. Right? Plus 6. 21. 6 plus plus 7. Then here also 10 will take, okay? Because C is 10, no? Num is 10. 7 plus plus 7. Is 7 is less than 10? Yes. Result equals to result plus count. Already result is 21. 21 plus 7. 28 plus 7. 28. Count plus plus 7 plus plus. It will become 8. Is 8 is less than 10? Yes. Then result equals to result plus count. Already result is 28. 28 plus 8 plus 8, 36. Yes or no? 8 plus plus. After it add, it will come to the next line. 8 plus plus. Immediately it became 9. Is 9 is less than 10? Yes. Then what do you have to do? Result equals to result plus count. Already result is 36. Plus 9, 45. Plus 9, plus 9, 45. 9 plus plus 10. Is 10 is less than 10? No. Immediately system will come to the next line. And here I will say system.debug. System.debug, what result? Now show me the result. On the screen, 45 will be printed. See, result value stopped at what? 45. Go ahead and run. Execute highlighted. I will get 45 on the screen. I will get 45 on the screen. See? Go and check in Excel sheet. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. It will be 45. Now I will say 100. 100. Before we execute, let us go to the Excel. First, we will go ahead and we'll check there, and then we will check whether our program is correct or not. Guys, able to understand? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have to open, think, use your brain. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I want up to where? Up to 100. That means here. Sum, not from here. From 99 to, from 1 to 99. Press enter. I should get this much number. 4950 should be my answer. As soon as I run the program, I should get 4950 because 1 to 99 it has added. So now shall I run the program? I should get how much? 4950. You can open a calculator and you can do it. Execute highlighted. I should get the answer as 4950. My program is working absolutely fine. Now you can calculate anything up to 75, 175. It will calculate. Up to 1000, it will calculate.
System.debug should be outside the bracket.
It doesn't make a difference where the debug. If you put it inside the bracket, then every time the debug also will run. It will show this like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will show first 0, second 1, second 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus. Keep on whatever I was doing one by one. Because if you write inside the loop, then it will also will run. Why do you want to show the result every time? Let me keep it outside. No, let it do the work. Finally, I will show the result. Anything that you put inside this will run for the condition. Ardhamautunda? Why I'm not writing system.debug inside the loop? Otherwise, slap, 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 slap. How many times? 170 times result will come. Come on, because it will also will debug. Clear what I'm saying? Yes or no?
Yes, Rupam.
Sangeeta, got it?
Sir, yeah, sir, I have doubt. Like here, the condition is less than 10, right? So whatever the number we have taken, 175, how come it will calculate till 175? It should stop till 9 only, right?
Because the count is 0, no? Count is 0. Is 0 is less than 175? Yes.
Yes.
Then the system will run. Once again, it will start doing the same thing. What do you want to do? Result equals to result plus count. Result is 0, count is 0. Starting value, both are 0. 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Then count plus plus. Now you are increasing the count. 0 plus plus will become 1. Is 1 is less than 175? Yes. Do again whatever is there in the bracket will do. Result equals to result plus count. Already result equals to 0. 0 plus count. What is count? Count is 1. So it will add 1. The count will become. Tell me,
So
what is the problem?
you mean like it is counting 0 as one number, right?
What does that mean? 0 as
I
1.
mean, see, if
This
we
is
are
not a
keeping,
fixed value. It is a variable. What is the definition of a variable? Any unfixed value is called variable. That means you can change it. Right? If you're still not able to understand, right? Integer, Sangeeta, spelling might be wrong, equals to 0. What is the value of Sangeeta now? If I say system.debug Sangeeta, what will I get? If I run this program now, what will I get? You tell me. 0. Now I will say Sangeeta equals to 25. Again I will say system.debug Sangeeta. What will I get now? 25. You can overwrite this value. It's not that the value inside the container is fixed. This is not a constant. This is a variable. This is a variable. Variable can be changed. Again I will say Sangeeta equals to 86. System.debug Sangeeta. What is the value of Sangeeta now? Going forward, you write anywhere Sangeeta. Value of Sangeeta will be 86, 86, 86, 86. 486 will come. Value can be changed inside the container. Don't think that when you put 0, lifelong అది 0 ఉండపోతది. అలా కాదు. You can go and change it.
Rupam,
And that
what
is
I
what
was
exactly.
asking is, if we are taking 175, it is adding only till 174, because when we go
Correct.
to 175, it is not less than 175, so
Correct.
it will not add
You want-
175. So it
if
is
you want
starting
to-
from 0 to 174. But if we want to add 175, we have to keep less than or equals to 175, right?
Correct.
Count less than or equals to num, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, Rupam, got it.
Right? Perfect. Perfect, guys. Able to understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Right? Chalo. Write a program. Good enough kada. Write a program to calculate sum of even sum of sum next, not sum of sum up to n even number. N even number. Write a program, right? That means I say 100. You have to add what? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 plus 96 plus 98. You'll not add 100. If you add 100, put equal to. Right? Anything below 100, even numbers you have to add. If I give 20, then you have to add how much? 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18. Chalo. Write a program. Think. Think. Guys, I'm in the basic programming. Remember that. By this, you're learning how the programming works.
Sir, I have pinged on chat. Could you please confirm?
Done. Very good. Simple, guys. Our program ni only one ఒక్క చుక్క ఇంకేం లేదనలా. Only one drop. Previous program is there on the screen. Only one drop. ఒక్క డ్రాపే అయిపోయింది program. Not even, I will say 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, completed, sir. I'm copying the same program. Control C, Control V. Up to 20. Nothing. Increase the count by twice. No. Over. అయిపోయింది. You are increasing the count by 1. Now increase the count by 2. 0. Right? Now let's understand. Over program. There is nothing, no rocket at all. Really? Yeah. 20. You want sum of even numbers. Result 0, count 0. Is 0 is less than 20? Yes. Then what you have to do? Result equals to result plus count. Result is 0, count is 0. So 0 plus 0, answer is 0. Count plus plus. 0 plus plus 1. Again count plus plus. 1 plus plus 2. Is 2 is less than 20? Yes. Plus result equals to result plus count. Already in the result 0 plus 0 is there. Plus 2. Result became 2. 0 plus 2, 2. Now 2 plus plus 2 plus plus 3. 3 plus plus 4. 2 times I'm increasing. Is 4 is less than 20? Yes. Result equals to result plus count. Already result 2 is there. On that 2, now 4 will be added. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then is 6 is less than 20? Yes. Is count. Right? Is, sorry. right? I'm all messing it up. Okay, 6. Is 6 is less than 20? No, already was 4, no, right? Is 4 is less than 20? Okay, we are done with 4, then it's 6. Is 6 is less than 20? Yes. Result equals to result plus count. Already in the result, 6 is there. On that 6 will be added. 6 plus 6, it will become 12. 6 plus 7. Again 7 plus 8. Is 8 is less than 20? Is count value is 8. Yes. Result equals to result plus count. Already in the 12 is there. 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 8. Right? Next, 8 plus 9. 9 plus 10. Count value will be what? 10. Is 10 is less than 20? Yes. Then result equals to result plus count. 20 plus 10, 30. Like this, it will keep on going. See, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus. I told you no, kachukka. Plus means increasing. Right? We can. I'm telling you now. No, you can't write plus 2. Now, got this? Cheshana? Within a Fevikwik drop, you have to give me the next answer. Within how much fast a Fevikwik take to stick? TV la Fevikwik address kada? Joining. Anta fast ka minna answer cheppali ippudu. Ready? Write a program. First you will tell the answer, then you will write the program. Write a program to sum up to n numbers, n multiple of 5 numbers. Multiple of 5. I give you 50. You have to say 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 plus 45. Tell me, Chukka, where will you change? Will you write this 5 times?
Instead of count plus we will write count is equals to
Increase count by 5, sir.
Right, that's correct. Either you go ahead and do it for how many times? Like this. Increase the number by 5 and then compare. Or else, come on, if I say multiple of 10, you write 10 times like this? No. In such case, you will say count equals to count plus 5. Adi kuda ante kada? 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Count 0. 0 lo 5 add cheste em ostadi? 5. So count value anta 5. Again 5 lo inkoka 5 add cheste 10. Count value anta 10. Again 10 lo inkoka 5 add cheste 15. That means count is jumping in a 5, 5, 5 it's jumping. And then you're comparing that count with a number. I gave you 100 and 100. I gave you 100. Right? I gave you 100. Then you doing the same. You are jumping the count by how much? 5. In the first case, count equals to count plus 1. Ante count plus is equals to count count plus 1. Count plus. Nothing but you can replace the 2 line with count equals to count plus 2. Guys, able to understand? Yes, everyone. The logic of programming. Try to open the brain. Programming needs brain. That's it. You don't need anything else. Now you know the language structure. Automatically structure నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు. The only thing that I can't teach you is your brain of thinking. అది నేను చెప్పలేను. That has to be your IQ. అర్థమవుతుందా? I can teach you the structure. ఇలా రాస్తారు. But as the requirement change, you have to think నేను ఎలా చేయాలి. Right? Right. Now next, write a program to calculate sum of n odd numbers. Sum of n odd numbers. Write a program fast, very quick. Chalo, Fevicol. I'll not give Feviquick, Fevicol. Perfect answer. Em ledu. I want up to 10.
Count equal to 1 and
I have to start 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Set the count equals to 1. 1, right? Right? So count equals to 2 times, you have to say. Right? Okay, sorry. Why I'm making that program? Idi kada? Just count equals to 1. Now what will happen? Count is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. See, you are getting odd numbers. Just you have to change even. Adhe even ananko 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. See, plus 2 is static. Rather than you writing C plus count plus plus count plus plus, I've changed it with what? With what? Meaning is same. మీరు ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Count plus plus count plus plus 2 times. Count plus plus semicolon count plus plus semicolon. You can write like this also, guys. 2 count plus plus. Meaning is అంతే కదా, count equals to count plus 2. అర్థమవుతుందా? Yes or no everyone? Yes sir. ఇంకొక ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తారా? Sure. Write a program to calculate n factorial. N factorial. What is factorial? I give you 10. 10 plus 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Tell me now. In the place of plus plus, you can use minus minus also.
minus.
Count equals to count minus 1. అలా కూడా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. రైట్ రైట్ రాసి చూపించండి. అమ్మ మొత్తం నేనే రాస్తే ఇంకా మీరేం చేస్తారు? Yes or no? If everything I do, then what will you do? Guys, try to think and write. Write a program to calculate n factorial. N factorial. Think. ఎనియో ఇన్ స్కూల్ కాలేజ్ డేస్ కాపీ చేశారు, కనీసం ఇప్పుడైనా సొంతగా రాయండి. అట్లీస్ట్ ట్రై టు రైట్ నౌ. Ishwar, let me see what Ishwar is doing. Kirti. Oh, good. Yes, that's correct, Kirti. Madam, okay, 1 minute before you write. Minus minus అవసరమా? ఇదే program. In this program only, right? In the place of plus into, if I say count plus plus, what I'm getting 0 1 2, but don't start with 0, put the count as 1. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 equals to 9 into 8 into 7. మీరు వెనక నుంచి మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, ముందు నుంచి మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, మీనింగ్ అంతే కదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Same program la in the place of plus oka equal to in the place of count, because if you multiply with 0, finally all answer will become 0. So అందుకే 0 ఇవ్వలేదు count la, right? Then that's it. Over guys. Result 0 gaani kada. 0 multiply, sorry, result also has to be 1. Perfect, because result into count we are doing, right? So result also 1, count also 1. Over n factorial program అయిపోయింది ఇక్కడ. ఇంతే, this is n factorial program. Now it will multiply 1 to 100, 1 to 99 will multiply. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 into 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it will keep on going up to 99. Same program, just twist. అర్థమైందా? Yes, but I want you to write in minus minus. Now same program, calculate n factorial, write using minus minus.
Rupam, can you check? I wrote that.
Sorry?
Sir, whenever we are running, it is telling apex time succeeded.
Right, because you are giving 100 and multiplying 1 to 100 is too much. I told you,
Sir,
this
I
is
have
not
given
the
5 also. Then also
right.
it's not sure.
You give a 5, then also it's running out.
Yeah.
Seriously? Num equals to 5, right? Go ahead and multiply. You are writing a wrong program then. What is missing? Line number 77, I'm missing something. What is that? Here, count plus plus. No, that's it.
Sir, it is showing success. Then why is it
Right,
running?
then it will. Why it will give error? Go ahead and check. I gave what? Up to what factorial I gave?
5.
See, 5 factorial. Go ahead and multiply and check.
Okay.
3 into 4, right? 2 into 3 into 4, right? 3 4s are 12, 12 into 2, 24. See, it will not. Yes or no? Now write using minus minus. Guys, yes everyone, minus minus done. Over minus minus. Let me check. Somebody has sent something. Teja, 100, initial count. Why initial count 10? Teja, why count equals to 20?
Whereas
What do
we
you
are
think?
like minus minus are like 10 minus 1 9 9 minus 1 8 like that we are coming back.
User will give the value in num. నేను నమ్ల వాల్యూ ఇస్తున్నాను. మీరు ఎలా చేస్తారు చేసుకోండి, నాకు అవసరం లేదు. I don't care how you do it. I will give here 20. Now you do what you want. I don't know. Chalo.
Sir, is
Check.
there anything wrong? Can you check why is it not working for me?
Getting it? Adi nee problem. Don't come to me. I am a user. Why I should enter in count? I don't know what is that. Video is not my work. My work is teaching. Teach and go away. My work is not to collect fees. Now you tell the no sir, you have to take the fees. No, I will give the num. Num equals 20. Simple word, guys. I will go ahead and I'll say num 20. Now go ahead. Write a program to find a factorial for this. Chalo, now you do whatever you want. You take count, you don't take count, you jump to the well, I don't care. Last one, I want result. Yes, somebody is asking something. Which program to check? Who's that?
Yes, sir.
Somebody has
Can you
asked,
check mine is not working?
right? Num 5, result 1, count 1. When count is less than num, 1 is less than num, result equals result, count plus plus, 1 plus plus, system dot debug. Why plus result? Remove the plus sign there. You don't need a plus in the debug. You're not adding any text, right?
Okay. Okay.
Right, it should work. Count is less than num. 1 is less than 5. Yes, it should be working.
It is showing time exceeded.
If count is less than num, count is less than num. Somebody has, let me copy this once. Others keep writing. Oh, sorry. Control C. Num is 5, result equals to 1, count equals to 1. When count is less than num, result equals to result into count. Count. Mansi, what you're doing, you see
Yes.
here, you're getting into an infinity loop, Mansi. This is going into an
Okay.
infinity loop. Either you should say count equals count plus 1, either you should say count equals to count plus 1, or you have to say count plus
Count plus
plus,
plus.
not both.
Okay.
Any one. You have to use either this or this.
Okay,
Here's the
got it, sir.
mistake. Say count equals to count plus 1 or count plus plus, any one. What happened? Over with minus. With minus.
Sir, could you please confirm me what's wrong in my program? Whatever I do, I'm getting answer as 1.
Is that?
Yeah, whatever I do, the result is 1. I don't know where I'm going wrong.
Right. Right. Check. Look, I will write it. Don't worry. First, check by yourself. Where is the count, madam? Okay. Without a count also we can do. That's okay. Without a count we can do.
I tried
No.
with count, but it didn't come, so I removed count and I did, sir.
No. You cannot. Right. Let us see.
Okay.
I'll check it out.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Your Shashikala, your is wrong because you're taking 0. 0 is fixed. Every time you'll get a wrong. See, you have to have a dynamic there. How can you say n is less than 0? Right? Then,
Okay.
right, n is less than 0 and you're taking minus 1. It will go into an infinity loop. N minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4.
Okay.
Your condition is taking it to the eternal end of
Oh,
the earth,
got it, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
because minus 1 is also less than 0, right?
Yeah.
So that is the mistake there.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Clear, everyone? How many of you were not able to do? Frankly, raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's see. Earlier was simple. Going forward is very simple, but coming back is little bit difficult, right? I gave you what? Integer num equals to 20. I didn't give you count 20. If count 20 would have been there, then it's quite simple. Now I want to multiply not 20, 10. Let's take a simple number. I have to have 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. I need integer result. integer res equals to 1. 1. Integer count, integer count, right? What you do, I don't care. Integer count, right? Perfect. Now think, what do you have to do? We have to now minus the count. There are multiple ways of doing it. I can come back to the same position, right? So count, right? Minus, right? Let me do in way 1. I will do in multiple ways. Keep watching. Count equals to num. Next, while count is right. Now మనం ఇది ఎందుకు ఇంకా సింపుల్ గా చేద్దాం. Count equals to 1. Count also I'm setting to 1. While just ulta చేసుకోండి. Num is less than count. Num is greater than count. Inte. So what does that mean? Is 10 is greater than 1? Is 10 is greater than 1? Yes. Now, right? Ardhainda? 10 is greater than 1? Yes. Result into count. Wait, anta easy kaadu. Result equals to result into count. So result is what? 1 into 1. Count is 1. Next, what I will change? Count. I said minus, no? We should use what? Minus. So in this case, it's going in plus. Right. It is going in a plus. Obviously, I have to increase the count by 1. You want minus. Then I will say it, right? Count equals to num. Now what will happen? The count value has become 10. Because I said count equals to num. Count value has become 10. Right? So now let us see how it's work. Right? Count value equals to, right? Right? Wait. You have to think. While writing the program, try to take a number sample like this and then start writing. Then it will be easy for you. Take an example now. See, if now count is 10, num is 10. This condition will fail, it will never run because count is not, 10 is not greater than 10. Right? So what I have to do, I have to think. Right? Num, count, you have to reduce the count, right? Num minus 1 if I take, what will happen? Count equals to num minus 1. So count value will become how much? 9. Now I am saying is num is greater than count. Num enta 10. Here it is 9. Is 9 is greater than 10? Yes. Now I am saying res equals to res plus count. Res is 1, count is 9. 1 into 9. Now
Sir, but in
I
the
will reduce
end,
the count by 1. Count minus. What is the value of count? Right? There is a problem coming up. it became
Yes,
8,
it will go to 0, then everything will become 0.
right? Then there is a problem. Count 8. Is 8 is less than 10? Yes. Count result equals to rest plus count into 8 into 8 minus minus. This will become 7. Is 7 is less than, is 10 is greater than 7? Yes. Multiply 7. Getting it? It's going like this. Now, finally, let's assume that we come to 2. Is 2 is 10 is greater than 2? Yes. So, into to 2. Last. 2 minus minus. It became 1. Right? Is 10 is greater than 1? Yes. So, into 1. 1 minus minus. It became 0. Is 0 is greater than 10? Yes. Yes. Right? Now, then immediately system will multiply with 0. Boom. Whole answer is good. Manam enta chesam anta waste. How can I stop it? Anta scene ledu. Count is not equal to null is there. Right? Now, hold this thing. Control X. If if count is greater than 0, count is greater than 0. అయిపోయింది answer. If the count is greater than 0, then only run this loop. First time, right? Keep watching. This whole thing, this is what I was looking for. ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం logic, see the logic once. This will serve the purpose. అయిపోయింది. I have used if yesterday's concept with today's concept mixed. I got a new minus minus concept. Count equals to count minus 1. Num minus 1. What is num? 10. 10 minus 1 is what? The value of 9. Is count is greater than 0? Is 9 is no. Oh, I will not, otherwise it will run only once. I will put this control X inside this. Control X inside this. Right. అయిపోయింది. ఇది answer. Keep watching. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is what? 10 minus 1 is 9. So, is 9 is less than, sorry, 9, 10 is greater than 9? Yes. Then, inside this I have a if. If count is greater than 0. What is the count? 9 is greater than 0. 9 is greater than 0. Yes. Result equals to result into count. What is result? 1. What is count? 9. Count minus minus. 9 minus minus. Next time it will become 8. Is 10 is greater than 8? Yes. Then if 8 is greater than 0, then result equals to result into count. Already there into is there. On that I am multiplying 8. Count minus minus. This will become 7. Is 10 is greater than 7? Yes. Then if count is greater than 0, is 7 is greater than 0? Yes. Then system will do this. Now what is that? Result equals to result into count. Right? Into count. Count minus minus. It will become 6. Is 6 is greater than 10? Yes. Is again count. Is count is greater than 0? Yes. 6 is greater than 0. Then Result equals to result into count. On already in the result, this is there. Into count. What is count? 6. Next, count minus minus 5. Is 5 is greater than 10 is greater than 5? Yes. Is 5 is greater than 0? Yes. Then result equals to result into count. 5. Count is 5. On the result already multiplication value stored. Count minus minus 4. Is 10 is greater than 4? Yes. Is 4 is greater than 0? Yes. Then into 4. 4 minus minus 3. Is 3 is greater than 10? Yes. Is 3 is greater than 0? Yes. Only if, yeah, here if, yes, here the current value count is greater than 3. So system will go and immediately will do 3. 3 minus minus 2. Is 2 is greater than, is 2 is greater than this? No. Sorry, yes. Is 2 is greater than 0? Yes. Then into 2. 2 minus minus 1. Is 1 is greater than 10? Yes. Is 1 is greater than 0? Yes. Into 1. 1 minus minus 0. Is greater than 10 is greater than 0? Yes. Right? Now, is 0 is greater than 0? No. That means this program will no more run. Ikkada 0 radu. Only when this greater is 0, then only you should open the door. Now it's 0, right? Then it will not execute. If it doesn't execute, it will come outside. System.debug.
Sir, it
Ardhamainda?
won't come outside, right? While loop is always true.
Right?
Only
But the
if
next
block
number is not increasing, no? How are you increasing? After 0, right? The next number I'm not increasing. There is no next number.
right, but the condition is always correct, right? So it will keep on
Check it.
repeating,
Let's
right?
see. Let's see whether we get an infinity error or not. Yep. That is also correct. If that is the thing, then what we'll do, we'll keep this if outside then. First time in ఎలా చేశాను if బయట పెట్టాను.
Mhm.
So you can do it that way, right? So check it out. If it doesn't work, we will look for another way. Multiple ways you can do it. Execute. What I have said, system.debug res. System.debug result. Right? Execute highlighted. Yes, it is running an infinity loop.
Sir, I have corrected without count my program. Can you please check, sir, if we can write in that way?
See,
Sri
let's
Lakshmi.
see. 1 minute. Sri Lakshmi. Where is that?
I'll ping right away again, sir.
Just copy it again. See,
Yeah, I
now this
just
is called infinity loop. What is happening? It's running forever. That loop is never ending. Right? Wait, I'll show you. 1 minute. Once again, while integer count equals to 12. Keep watching. While count is greater than 10. System.debug. System.debug slap. What will happen? I will say count plus plus. ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? What will happen? Count is 12. 12 is greater than 10? Yes. Slap. 12 plus plus 13. This will become 13. 13 is greater than 10? Yes. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh is greater than 10? Yes. 20 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore. That means if I run this, this will get into a infinity loop, never ending loop. It will wait till the time the CPU brain is heated. It will start scolding you, not me. System will also scold. And then it will throw an error on the screen. right? It will throw a error on the screen. It will go ahead, right? It will throw error on the screen. Clear now? Right? Now we are entering into the same condition here. Because I kept the loop outside, inside the loop I am checking, the loop is running and it's going into infinity loop. Right? If condition is there, but the loop is never coming out. Because loop I gave whenever the number 0 is less than, right? And this keep on increasing it, right? Now you can use double conditions, right? You can, okay, by the way, okay, let's do one thing. We'll continue tomorrow. Somebody has, Shashikala has pinged the program,
Yeah,
right?
Srilakshmi.
Same thing. Yeah. Don't worry. Just copy it, see whether it's working or not. Everyone, just take it. See, we will see tomorrow. Next batch is waiting. He's calling me. Right? Copy this program. 1 minus or greater than 1. Yes, it will be greater than 1. Minus. And it's greater than 1. Result equals to 1. This should be working. That's also good.
Thank you, sir.
And write a homework with this program. Write a program to calculate sum of n sum up to n odd or even. This is your homework. Num equals to 20. Integer num is your homework. Integer num equals to this. Integer choice equals to even. If I say even, you have to give me 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus up to 18. If I say odd, you have to give me 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus. I can change this result as even or odd.
The string choice, right?
String choice. String choice. Ardhamain the homework, everyone got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Do this.
Yes.
We'll continue tomorrow. That's it for today.
Thank you.
Practice, start writing, start thinking. Open your brain, right? Whatever we have learned so far, use it. Okay? That's it, guys. Tomorrow means Monday, right? Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful